Hey guys, what's going on? Okay, welcome to my new screencast. Today I'm going to show you one cool feature about Instagram. And as you might be wondering that you can't see your messages or you can't access your messages from Instagram website, yes, from www.instagram.com. I have found one cool feature or one hack of Instagram. By using that you can access or you can message or you can get access of the messages, your Instagram messages from your Instagram website. Okay, here is no message tab, and this is not new or updated version of Instagram. In this website I'm going to inspect this web page. Then I'm going to change the responsive tab, and here I'm going to change this to Galaxy S9 and reload the website. Now go to this icon. Oh, cool. You are now you get access to your Instagram messages. You can navigate to here, and you can message or you can send message from this message box. Okay, I'll send one message to my brother. I am messaging from Instagram web. Yeah, let's click send button, and yeah, cool, it's send. Yeah, by this way you can access your Instagram messages. Okay, you can enjoy this feature, and you can this feature up to when Instagram didn't recognize it. Okay, thank you. I'll get back on next video.